Welcome to the Compass of Life. Here, I will share inspiring words from the writings and lectures of Daisaku Ikeda, along with my own learnings and experiences, presented in the style of a reading notebook. Rather than difficult philosophy, I hope to explore it as practical wisdom for daily living. Learning together and sharing reflections with you. In life, there are times when we are wrapped in rain. Even when struck by storms of adversity. If we have a mentor in life who serves as our compass, we will never lose our way. Even if we are battered and worn, we can still move forward, greeting a new dawn. Let us discover such courage and wisdom here, together,